You see, I'm afraid that your kisses in the night might have made a mighty, mighty glow in my soul. If I blind the sunshine, it ain't no fault of my own. You see, I was raised in the village, so my third eye prolific in your grades as far as I know. That cute time, the key lime, and that's why, Father, I'll go to be with you. Where the fire fills the room. And love's the only feeling I know I knew. When the fire filled the room. I'll run after a train for your loving. Reach like the morning sun. Sail on a circle line. I'll board a little plane for your loving. Oh yeah, I'll find a way. Leave the town or run around. I'll say what I gotta say to be with you. You're treading kinda light, yeah, I see your wines. You're messing with the time, especially mine. You're going with the flow, trying to get it right. You've been advised, you're fucking with the real kind. Cause there's a fine line from out of sight. And I don't mind, you can't deny. So when I'm feeling low, yeah, you're quick to find a little line. You put me to the side, tell them I'll run after a train for your loving.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.